Hello, my friends. It's cupcake time. Stay tuned so I can tell you all about this stamp set. Now, if you are a club member in my stamp club or my Die Hard club, yay! Because guess what? It is club time. Now, if you're not in the stamp club or Die Hard club, stay tuned and I'll give you more info at the end. Now, this is our newest. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it because you know what? Everybody has birthdays. Everybody has birthdays. And let's just say, when is it not good to have a cupcake, right? We all need cupcakes. And I designed 2 for this stamp set, but guess what, my friends? I couldn't stop. You know how I am with the club sets. I went a little crazy. Stay tuned for the next video because you have to watch the add-on sets. But look at how fun this is. You have the 2 cupcakes. You have some mini cupcakes because I know a lot of you like to stamp them on the back near your personalized stamp that matches the card front. We have a cute little cherry by itself. We have lots of fun words. Now, if you're in the stamp club, you are getting the stamps and the handy dandy postcard that gives you a couple ideas. But my friends, there's lots more ideas on our website. Also, this card is really helpful because it gives you all of the ideas and all of the items for the add-on sets. So if you miss one time, you can go back and look at it and go to the website. So that is the stamp club. Now, a lot of you love stamps, but you're like, Stephanie, I am not cutting out those with scissors. Because you know what? That's called, we used to call it fussy cutting, but really it's fuzzy cutting because it doesn't look good no matter what, right? Well, don't worry, I got you covered because we have a stamp club or the Die Hard club. Now, the Die Hard club is the same stamps as the stamp club, but with the dies that match. And I'll be honest with you, this is our most popular club. So you're getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Now, when I say the dies that match, I mean the shadow dies and the inside dies. Yes, we give you the shadow and the inside dies because what if you don't want to shadow one time? What if you do want to shadow? What if you want to do some masking? What if you want to do a different color shadow? Lots of options when we give you both dies. So you're getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dies in this set. Now, also, just a heads up, my Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting a freebie this month, and I'm not going to show you what it is because some people like to be surprised, but you're going to love this one. It's 2 dies, and it's something totally different. You're going to love it. Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting this. If you join the Stamp or Die Hard Club this month, you will get this freebie die set. Extra. It's fun. Okay, let's look at the samples because I'm going crazy. First of all, look at this. On a full slimline card base, you were getting 1, 2, 3, 4 big cupcakes and a couple little ones in there in between. Look at how fun it is on a little circle. Look how cute that is, made into a little mini card. Here's another one. Look how fun those are. Aren't those adorable? Or if you're an A2 kind of person, here we go. Here's our A2 card base. Look how yummy that cupcake looks. I absolutely love that. And look at how fun. This banner is from the 5x7 box card die set. So you're gonna love getting that one because look how fun that is. And look at the inside. Isn't that adorable? I love when we do the insides of the cards because it just takes it to the next level, right? Here we go. Here's another cute one. So yummy. Look at that. Oh, you are the frosting to my cupcake. Love it. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. This is with the present background, the present A2 background. Fun, perfect for this card, right? Because it has that cute little cupcake. And then on the inside, look how cute. Now, club members. Ken gets up so early in the morning. He gets up at 1 a.m. Why does he do that? I don't know. No, he does it on purpose because he wants to get your shipments into the mail system the second that before the post office opens. So he goes to the post office, drops off your club shipment before they even open. Why does he do that? Why doesn't he wait till the afternoon? Because we want to get it moving into the postal system the soonest as possible. So on the 1st of every month, Ken gets up extra early, gets them into that post office. So the second they open, they're already moving that along to get to you ASAP. Now, if you're not in the club, what can I say? You're missing out on so much. you're missing out on getting a brand new stamp set and or die set sent to you automatically each month. Our stamp club starts as little as $13.99 a month. That includes the brand new stamp set. Our stamps are made in the USA, 4x6 in size, always brand new. I design new ones every month. And then as a club member, you're getting a 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. I love saying that. You're also earning club points with every shipment you get and every website order. You're also, if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you are getting a $15 gift certificate to our website. Just to say thank you. We want you to know that we appreciate you and we're thankful for you. So you're getting that extra little bonus at the end of the year. Now, what's the time commitment? You know what? It's only 3 months, because after 3 months, you're going to fall madly in love with us, or maybe not. But I don't want you to feel like you have to marry us right off the bat. Just date us for a little while, because you know what's going to happen is you're going to fall in love with this. Then you're going to check out the Fold It Club. Then you're going to check out the Card Kit Club. And before you know it, you are just going to be madly in love. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and the hardest part's going to be, which club should you join? Go check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.